So I'm super excited. I walked out into the garden this morning and no, my tomatoes are not ready, but so close. So close. Guys, look at that. I have 2 actual colorful tomatoes, not just green, but colorful. And I'll bet you if I look around this garden some more, there will be more colored ones, not just these dark green, brand new ones, but these beautiful, colorful babies down here. Whew, I'm so excited. For real though, look at these marigolds. Like that, what? That is 1 billion marigolds, and look how beautiful they are. Like the colors of these flowers and the shapes, isn't that cool? Oh, and the pollinators, let me back up, are all over them. I just got my face down there and several bees flew up towards my face. I think I'll back off, thank you very much. So they've predicted a 40% chance of rain in another couple of hours. And when it's 40%, I always go, it's not gonna happen. But maybe. It's kind of breezy. Can you guys see the wind blowing the branches? Maybe. It would be so nice. So now there's the dilemma. Do I water or do I not water? If I don't water, it will for sure not rain, and then I'm gonna be stuck with plants that really should have been watered this morning. You know I'm gonna water. Okay, okay.